All right, E.T., let's go.
Every year when I was a kid, my dad would get outside with us. We would roll big snowballs. We would build snow forts that were like 10 foot by 10 foot with 5-foot walls. That's a lot of screaming for a short ride.
No, it's not over yet. It's not over yet.
Stay center.
All that racket. There you go.
All right. You missed the ramp.
All right, it's cool enough.
Oh.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, back at it. Oh.
You got to go down in the saucer.
Are you Velcroed?
Oh.
He's scared to go on the saucer.
Somebody go get a snowboard and stand up and come down this thing.
Yeah.
They were doing that this morning at the club. They had some snowboards up there. Like, no way I'm getting
So they were. So you're saying they were going down on hole one. Yeah, hole one. Got it.
They were, hole one. Built a couple of these. There was like 30 kids in line trying to ride it, and Barnes and I were like, "Why the hell are we waiting in line? Let's just go build another one." So we went to, over 20 feet and built another one. And people started using. Oh,
Nice job,
awesome!
Parks. Thumbs up. That was awesome.
You got any more of those beer?
Not of these. I've got
I'll go to Barnes. I got some beer over there.
I've got
We get those spread it. You have the kids all come over.
Oh, we got the workforce next door.
it's gonna need something.
Oh, we got the saucer out now. Here we go. It's going to be good. That wasn't too bad. He's in the sled.
I think I'm going to try the saucer next time. Yeah, do the saucer. All right, here I go.